Mentah kesengi ke khat pra tarik uyayong u Kyrteng joka United Democratic Party uba Synshar kupar roy lengdo thaba ulawan bentep Kyrteng ala di hakmat Returning Officer kumu Kyrteng banya aireng naka soyong constituency kumban syupan kan mau kini kejing wan tep Kyrteng jong ni Kyrteng kadai hadin kejing klat no jong Kyrteng ka UDP uba HDR lengdo haswa ban sedang ke election kumtai ketika election na pensang eno shwa hadin kata ketika konstituensi kelas 1 lino bad ya kenika election en sapen long hakashupau terik ubanai jemang habakran bekilat pathai khubor Kyrteng joka parti ula ong ba Sngew Skhem pan yo ka jingjob namar udon ya ka jing e bat jing shanya naki pat ba jong ka constituency shu ru ula ong ba ka jing kenno haki por bala deb bakidon ka jing pher jing mut ka dei tang ka por barim henry menta ngiladon ka jing suk shu ula ong wat ka Kyrteng jong uru Sngew Skhem lupa namar ka Kyrteng balajer de Maheh.
Today is a special day and also an acute moment of nostalgia, remembering my uncle, late HDR Lingdo, who was here 2 months before filing his nomination papers. He is a popular figure and a legend in this field. His death is a big loss to the family, to the party, to the state. I'm here, his replacement. I'm here, a continuation of his work and his legacy. And one important thing, the people of Soyong constituency are praying every day and wants to produce lawmaker, not just legislator. Legislator who will speak in the assembly, legislator who will voice out the people's pain and grief. The youth are angry, people are watching. I'm being watched as I speak. Serious bills and subjects are being moved in the assembly like the last session. We need intellectuals to speak and debate for better laws, for the betterment, for the future, for the security, for the safety, and for the welfare of the people of the constituency, the state, and also for Kari Bat Kajat Bandril. Thank you. But getting into Pajbama with the people's faith and love, their enthusiasm, along confident look at Abu job. MP kata tiga day takam kabarim ikini tu kini jonga udo senam jonga pitang na Kyrteng ru Synshar kupar roy lingdo thaba ka Kyrteng Pdeng ru kupar roy dei Maheh jonga ba ni Kyrteng kupar roy don kupar roy lingdo mga Synshar kupar roy lingdo thaba
bidon niyo man ong ay di performance jong pasamin
ari ang PDA si pangalay ka kalian nga PDL din I'm confident I will move on and I know I'm personal in selection ko akren pang no comments ada party
ba HDR report ni file the nomination ni ong in fix academic wala le do ka to biru bin yen ka jong chunang
so itu kini jangan ilang hi bai kane ka bomanta I have repair ilang but repair the damage done by the last ex MLA so menta ru ngade continuation jungi ngade sai beteng jungi pon pe ki mati ki jungi ki marim ki kam ki vision ki jungi ngadi continuation ya kam jungi population bot
Hakate kesni lawan bansenran lang deki spangur kinong Krishan rengkat ki bahing hasam badu presiden rang baga parti uba met balengdo uba polengdo obat kiwe